Hello and good morning and welcome to today's video tour. I'm currently at the Laguna Hotel in Khao Lak. I've just had a quick chat with reception over there, just asking about our rooms and room rates, and they just advised me just to go onto one of the hotel booking sites and book direct through them. They give me a little card here, just giving me an idea where the Laguna Hotel is in relation to other things in the area. So that's helpful. So I'm just going to give you a little walking tour and show you around. Okay, so from reception I'll walk you down to the beach and just show you different styles of accommodation that are available. The hotel is just located on the main road as you enter into Khao Lak. Today we've got a little bit of weather, cloud, rain, a bit grey up there. The last week or so has been roasting hot, blue skies every day. I've been here for just over 3 weeks now, and we've had everything from torrential downpours to blistering sunshine. It's on the edge of the season, changing over from high to low season, so a change in weather is completely expected. Yesterday it was around about 33 and today it's around about 28, so obviously a bit of a dip in temperature. Okay, I'll just walk you through. We're just dropping down into the lobby area where the bar is. It's early in the morning now, so it's around about 10:30 in the morning. Everyone's still probably asleep or just coming back from breakfast, so it's very quiet. Very much open air to give you a feel of the layout. Okay, so walking down from reception. Yesterday walked through the hotel and we saw so many monitor lizards. They were having lunch on a big fish that had been brought in by the tide. I learnt a new word. I learnt a new thing yesterday. A collective of lizards is a lounge. So definitely they were lounge lizards. A lot of these hotels have these lovely ornamental ponds that go around them. And this hotel has got plenty of coverage, foliage with the tropical type trees. This is the Oriental breakfast area restaurant. It's breakfast time now, so I don't really want to go in and encroach on people having their breakfast. So a little games area and a children's area. There we go, a pirate ship. Morning. We've got lots of gardening going on today. Morning. So swimming pool, spa, villas, rooms, and children's playground, which I just showed you. There seems to be like a waterway running through the whole of this area. Got lots of fish in it. Just walk down this path for now. Just want to give you an idea of the style of accommodation and the layout of the grounds. So like I say, not the best of weather today, but it is still very hot. More of these big pools. Accommodation, first ground floor and first floor, or Americans would say first and second floor. Looking back where I've just come from, and just take you over this little bridge, and we'll head towards the seafront. There's a big restaurant, bar area on the seafront as well. You can see the water just flows through. And if you hang around here, you'll see plenty of birds, fish, and plenty of lizards. And a couple of big ones as well. It's more villa style accommodation. I've not looked at the price in here. I don't know how much it is to stay here. It is low season, and a lot of the hotels do reflect that in their prices. When I did inquire at reception a few moments ago, the lady wasn't great with her English, so she just said please check out the booking sites and book direct through them. Quite a few of the hotels this time of year do some maintenance work. I've not noticed any going on here, but if you are coming this time of year, just be aware that you may have to put up with a little bit of banging. Our hotel where we're staying at the moment has just decided to do the renovation work, and the drills have come out. To their credit, they have moved us to the front of the hotel near the sea, upgraded us with a better room. Okay, one thing you can note here is they've had quite a lot of erosion from the sea pulling the sand away. This hotel has put a reinforced concrete wall right on the very front and put on a decking area, which you can see here. So it's high tide at the moment, and as you can see, the sea isn't mega rough, but the flotsam and jetsam is being washed up onto the decking area. And I'm just going to walk over to the next hotel and give you an example of exactly what damage has been caused by the erosion. So these are directly seafront. That's that beautiful sound of the waves. That would be idyllic to wake up to in the morning. So you can see by the waves have splashed up here and brought up all the debris from the sea. A lot of it is just, obviously there is plastic and whatnot, but a lot of it is just like dead bits of tree. So as you can see here, this is the damage that's been caused by bad weather and sea damage over a period of time. If you Google some old pictures from around about 5-6 years ago, the actual accommodation came out to around about here. So it has eaten up, and just here, since yesterday, a big chunk of the sand has slipped. It's been held together by roots from the trees, but how long the trees are going to last, I don't know. Well, here, as you can see, they've built this concrete retaining wall, and there's very little in the way of beach here in high tide. Now, in low tide, it's not an issue. You can walk along the beach, but I'd say this is one of the narrower areas of the beach around Khao Lak. and I'll conclude the video after I've been around the bar area and I've shown you the pool. There's a little headland, and this little headland around the corner is an absolutely beautiful, picturesque spot, especially at night when it's all lit up. It's stunning. I'll show you that at the very, very end when I conclude the video. All the accommodation again. Let's walk you over to the first pool. Now, it's an infinity style pool. I did have a swim in here yesterday, and the only frustrating bit was you're chilling here on the infinity pool looking at the ocean, and they have stuck all the deck chairs in front so you can't see it. I don't think that's the smartest move, but hey ho. Morning. Sunbathers out already, not being deterred by the odd downpour. And further up here, the second pool. I'll just walk you around. And this, when the sun is out, is quite beautiful. I think this would have been a bar at some point. It's got the stools all laid in. And now it's just some shaded area. Just looking back at the hotels around here. The accommodation, should I say? Yeah, again, you can see this this river that runs all the way around. This area is a bit of a jacuzzi thing going on. They turn the bubbles on certain times of the day, so you get yourself a nice massage jacuzzi style. The water is lovely and warm, even though it's raining. You could get in there and the water's still around about air temperature. Okay, this is the back of the bar area where you can get yourself a massage. There we go. Well, I think this looks like a little children's pool here. Yeah, nice and shallow. Somewhere for the kids to have a paddle. This gets busy in the evening for residents and non-residents. You can come in and get a nice meal here. There's I'll just flick you through, see what's available. Pastas, salads, soups, burgers. Okay, I'm not sure if you do daytime and evening style menus, but hello, morning. Oh, here we go, times. We've got happy hour and a romantic meal option. Okay. Walk you back over another bridge. It's the beach terrace. Well, plenty of fish in here. Let's see if I can. I've spotted my first lizard, which I'll point out for you. Here we go. Just a little one, just around about there, just chilling. The staff are doing a beach clean-up here. This is an area where a lot of stuff just gets blown in from the ocean. So they are doing a good clean-up, which is really good to see. This is where a lot of the lizards hang out. Or accommodation. Let's have a look at this activity board. All the activities. Kids activities. Happy hour. You can get yourself a massage. Okay. I think this little spot here is your romantic option for a romantic evening meal. Oh, what a lovely spot this would be. Very pretty. And this is all lit up at night and it looks quite beautiful. Let's take you over this way. And more beachfront accommodation. More sun lounges. And it's got a lovely rocky headland here. Around here, when the tide does go out, you get loads of opportunities to get yourself on the beach and sunbathe. I think we're going through a little bit of a spring tide at the moment. I've not checked, but the tide is rather high. Yeah, it's not usually this high when I've visited the area before. There's the lighthouse here. And just on the headland now, you can't actually see because they've got a massive big rainstorm coming in. And this spot here is absolutely beautiful just to sit down and just chill. When the sun's out, this is absolutely idyllic. Okay, so that was just a quick walking tour. Sorry we couldn't show you the rooms. I think the receptionist staff, but their English wasn't great, so I don't think they were understanding what I was asking for. So if you do like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe. It does help other people who like this kind of content see it on YouTube. Helps with the algorithm, helps with my YouTube channel. I enjoy making this kind of content. Gets me out and about. I get to see different hotels. I've stayed in this area on a numerous amount of occasions. I've stayed in several hotels, so it's nice just to see how these hotels do look in real life as opposed to just pictures on the on booking.com or Agoda or whatever. You get to see an update version of how they actually are, keeping it real. So yeah, please do like and subscribe, and that's the end of today's walking video. Thank you for watching.